This is CGD back with another video. In today's video we'll be doing the review on the VSR11 Airsoft Sniper Rifle. It's the version 2. Okay, so this is the sniper rifle out of its case. It's a 440 FPS. These are the external features. Talk about the magazine first. Just a small magazine that slots in just underneath the gun, and then there's a release button there that drops it. You have the safety catch here. It's S for safe, F for fire. You got the bolt, which you just pull back and then you would push forward, but you'd have to pull it back a lot further. Demonstrate that later. You got the 4x scoop along the top, which is attached to the upper rail. And then working our way down the gun, we have the hop up on this side of the gun for range. And you got the bipod that you can extend and then just push the button back in to push it back. And then you get the clip. And then you got the plastic frame, and you could fit a silencer on the end because there's thread for it, and the metal barrel. So this is the 4x32 sight. It's a nice metal, smooth black finish. These are the zeroing adjusters. They come with these over them. This is a nice black metal cap which you just screw on like that, and then if you need to get to the zeroing adjusters, you just unscrew them and you got them. These keep them safe from the weather or for storing. On the inside of the scope, it's a crosshair. It's on the upper rail. That's where it's attached to, and that is it for the scope. So onto the bolt is a very realistic metal bolt like you would find on any other sniper rifle. To pop it back, you just pull it, and then so you know that it's cocked back because it doesn't fly forward, and then you would push it forward like that, and you're ready to fire. So you can see how this is all metal. This whole bolt is all metal. So that is it for the bolt, and I think let's go fire it. So we've filled up the magazines, and you just insert it like this, and now we're ready to fire. I'll get into position. Go off of safety.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know?